where is the kebab? Peace upon you all, and hope you all are well. And I have brought a very nice recipe, unique recipe of Unique Channel, and this is here. What's that? It is raw meat nuggets, or in Urdu we call it Peshawari Chapli Kebab or Kache Keeme ke Kebab. Yes. The English viewers, they don't think that we are going to eat it raw. No, you are not right. Raw meat nuggets, this is the name of it, but we are going to cook it. Okay, without wasting time, let's come to the ingredients. So around 1 kg mince, beef mince without fat. Then ginger paste, garlic paste, 1 tablespoon each. Salt as per your taste. Red chilies as per your taste, or I put 1 teaspoon in it. And lemon or vinegar, 2 tablespoons in it. Crush green chilies around. If you're using the small one, you have to be very careful because they are so much hot. So I didn't use them. I use the big one. So the long one you can use 1, a small you can use 2. Chop it in small pieces and chop pieces of onion, 1 big onion, 1 big tomato, and half bunch of coriander. And what else in it? I've put around 2 tablespoons of gram flour in it. Or if you don't want to use gram flour, we call it besan. You can use the grounded and fried one, which is peas flour. Peas flour of 2 tablespoons. And the special ingredient is anardana, pomegranate seed, the dried one, 1 tablespoonful, and the grounded or roasted coriander powder, or coriander, the crushed one, just 1 tablespoon. All right, 1 tablespoon of grounded roasted cumin seed, and half or 1 teaspoon of garam masala, spice powder. And what else? I think I told you about the lemon or vinegar. You can use either one. And you do not have to use the tenderizer in it. You do not have to use the papaya paste, otherwise it will not be good. Guys, so I've made a nugget of the raw meat in which we put the spices. And I've cut these slices of tomatoes, and if you have ever seen in the Peshawari shop where they make these Peshawari Chapli Kebab, so they usually press it inside, and I learned from them. It is a very good technique and they love very nice. So thanks to those, I recognize they do very hard work on shops. So you can get the shop taste of Chapli Kebab in your home. Alright, so you have to put it in like that, and then you have to press it a bit harder so that it should be stuck inside. Alright, you have to press in such a way that it should penetrate it inside nicely and smoothly. Alright, so this is the form of it. Very careful and gentle, right? You can see. And I'm gonna fry it in little oil. I pour little oil, just around 1 or 2 tablespoons olive oil. Right, so you can see they're looking so beautiful. And once I'm going to take them out in the plate, I'll show you how they look like. So please wait till I fry them. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the final tray of Peshawari Chapli Kebab. And they look so nice, so delicious. I hope you like my recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And these are the sauces you can have with them. This is the yogurt, mint, coriander and green chili. Yummy. Raita, yes. And this is a simple one. In this sauce I put green chilies, mint, coriander and cumin powder, red chilies, salt. Or if you like, you can put tamarind or raw mango in it. Yes. So these are the things what you like with them. Thank you. See you next time with unique recipe.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Unique and follow us on Facebook.
Yes.
Jazakallah.